What's up, YouTube? My name is Drake the Barber, and I'm here with my first ever barber video. Right here we got a low taper fade with a styled top, and this is my client's first time ever coming to get a haircut from me. But he decided he liked it, but you gonna see how it turned out. But step one, I got my tool guard on, and I'm just clearing out all that bulk on the top of his head. Oh yeah, make sure y'all subscribe and hit that post notification button because it's gonna be bangers coming. Make sure you do that for real. Because if you don't do that, then I'm gonna be upset. So do that. No, I just playing. Do what you want, but I'd rather you subscribe, than anything. Show love, because for the upcoming, YouTubers and stuff. So I'm still debulking his hair, trying to knock it down with a tool, trying to make it even all the way around. Like, this client here blessed me. And I had to ask him, I was like, if he was comfortable being on YouTube. And he was like, yeah, that's totally fine. But he blessed me with the check. So I want to say thank you to him, And all y'all East Tennessee State students, this is what I do. This is how I bend my bag. So if you want to get right, come see me. So right now I got step 2. I'm going there with my bar line, with my Babyliss Silver FX trimmers. Just making an initial line. I got my lever open all the way. It's going up about a 1/2 inch. Now I got my lever closed, and I'm attacking that bottom line to get it out. So now I got my one guard on, and I'm just going up about another 1/2 inch in a rainbow-like shape. So in order to get that top of that rainbow-like shape with the one guard open out, I decided to use my 1.5 guard, try to go in that same pattern, and try to debulk everything and knock everything out of there. So now I'm back with my 0.5 guard closed, attacking that bottom line that you see right there. And make sure you use your corners. I know a lot of barbers out here, they stress a lot. Use the corners, use the corners. That's actually true. That's the only way I learned how to cut, honestly. And the way I learned how to cut, I stayed grinding. YouTube, 360 Jeezy, Chris Bazio, Get Bean, all them guys like that, man. They taught me how to cut. So it just came. It took me about I say this is like my 2nd year cutting hair. So it didn't take me that long. I started practicing on myself. So in the back right here, I use the same steps I use on the side. Lever open, no guard. Then the second step, you got the one guard open, about a 1/2 inch. Everything about a 1/2 inch with this low taper. So it's about a 1/2 inch. And once I get everything, even, I just start closing my guard with the one, and I just start attacking that bottom, that middle line right there, to soften it up a little bit. As you see right now, man, it looks like I'm using my full blade, but I'm using my corners. by the way, you know, it look like I'm over here, you know, roughing up my client's head, but you know, I think he got a bobble head too, so it's coming. He ain't tripping. So I'm going back and forth with through my one guard, my 0.5 guard. To try to create a smooth transition, so my client, you know, walking around looking like Adidas head, or Adidas stripes in the back of his head. My bad. Sorry for the glare too, man. You know, like I said, I just started YouTube, so things will get better in the near future. Just bear with me. But honestly, I got a word of the day for y'all. And that word of the day is dedication. If you're dedicated to something, go chase it. You know what I'm saying? Because it ain't gonna be given to you. And if you got a lot of stuff in your life, you know, that you battling and stuff, you know, it's coming. It's life. You know, try to, you know, be dedicated to be better than that. You know, try to, you know, make yourself stronger. You know, do what it takes, you know. Stay up days and nights, work hard. You know, like me, like, I'm not saying I'm perfect, you know. I'm the same as y'all, you know. We are the same. God made us, right? Like, don't spend all your days, you know, upset, you know, moping. Go out there and chase something. Because me personally, I believe in each and every one of y'all, because I know that y'all on a mission. I know that y'all have a plan. Like, everybody may not go to college. Everybody may not do this. People may not graduate high school. But at the same time, in life, it's always not needed with that. Like, you may not need to do all that type of stuff, you know, to be successful. Like Elon Musk said, I read an article, not an article, but I read a quote of his. He said, to be successful, you don't need to go to college. And look at him, he's one of the richest guys in the world. Like, that tells you something. I know everybody, like, has something they're great at. Either it could be cooking, it could be like editing videos. Cause you can obviously tell editing videos is not my specialist if you don't like it, but like cutting hair, that's mine. And I felt the passion in that when I started, because it runs in my family. So we back to step 2. Just talk to y'all while y'all already explained to y'all how it goes. So let me just talk to y'all. And but yeah, remember, dedication. Everything you do today, be dedicated. I don't care if it's eating, I don't care if it's sleeping. You better be dedicated. Because if you're dedicated, that's how you're gonna be your best. Like, I got a, you know, personal story. You know, I lost my mom at the age of 17, and ever since then I've been dedicated, you know, to being great, because I always promised her that I was gonna be successful one day. And I'm 21 right now, so, you know, it's been 3 years. You know, I'm trying to be better, trying to do what I can, and I just hope, you know, you all can be on that journey with me. But if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Like, I'm gonna keep pressing that subscribe button until y'all get it. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, because if you ain't hit it, you're gonna be missing out on a lot. And then I got another page called Well, I'm gonna create another page. You know, I want to do like for gaming and stuff because I'm a gamer too. So there's a lot that I can do, man. And hopefully I could cut y'all hair one day, you know. But whatever y'all do, make sure y'all leave comments, cause I'm gonna be the guy that's gonna reply to majority of everyone's comments in the comment section. Look at that lineup. It's coming together. Straight crispy. Applying pressure. Straight crispy line, man. Like, honestly, I want y'all to tell me in the comment section if, when you getting a haircut, what do you care more about? The actual cut or the lineup? So that's the question of the day. Lineup or initial cut or the whole head? Like, what would you rather be better? The lineup or the cut? Because me personally, my lineup gotta be A1, man. Because if your lineup right, it complements the cut itself. So tell me what you think. Some of her client is over here smiling and stuff because he's what he told me was he never had a barber to like trim his eyebrows and stuff. So I told him I would do it for him. It's not in the video, but I told him I'd do it for him. But you'll see it in the pictures close to the end of the video. So here's the part. Tell me what y'all think about the cut. As always, I'm gonna be bringing heat pretty often now because I'm dedicated to doing YouTube now. So, you know, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and most importantly, share this thing. Help me get the goal right now is 1,000 subscribers.